Yeah, it's supposed to be a...
There's a pumpkin and a gourd in there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at how he's...
Kabochi and butternut squash.
Yeah.
No. She can take pictures with the fire.
Oh.
He likes it. How come you have to take the picture of the tiger?
Yes, it's open your present.
He's blocking it.
Oh, there it fell out.
Yeah, because he got it this morning.
It
Are they
smells.
gonna go get
Oh, they
it?
both fell out.
But
No.
yeah,
Oh, yeah. All those wonderful
There's no
smells.
more. Yeah, we can.
Should have had a silver hand in the pumpkin too.
Get out.
I was trying to get a picture of my... Yeah, I just had
Oh,
that. Well, look
oh,
at
there
that.
he found them finally.
So he likes butternut squash, huh?
The two pumpkins.
We don't know. We
The
just
pumpkin and
we
butternut
just
squash.
experiment.
Just give him something different.
We've given him the big orange pumpkins, and he likes those, but we didn't have one, so we're trying.
Well, butternut
So
squash
something different.
is better, so I hope maybe he'll like it better.
Well, he